Okay, welcome back. Here's my sous chef Henry once again. Now we're still continuing with Argentina, we're going to do steak chimichurri. Oh, it's one of our most favorite dishes. First we're going to marinate the steak. This is just some cheap round steak. We're going to pour a little bit of olive oil in there. Yeah, go ahead, a little more. That's probably good. And then we're going to pour even less balsamic vinegar in there. Balsamic vinegar is not so much for the flavor as it is, yeah, a little more. That's good. As it is to actually work over the sinews of the meat. I'm going to put the garlic in, fresh garlic. Everything's better with fresh garlic. And maybe just take these tongs and turn them upside down a couple times. Then we'll let it marinate for probably, half an hour or so, or actually more. Better for a couple hours, to tell you the honest truth. Turn it over once in a while. That'll be good. So that's the marination of the meat. Then we'll grill it. That's good. So I'll get this out of the way. And take that from you. And then we're going to make the sauce, right? So this is chimichurri sauce. So chimichurri sauce, I'm going to tell my students that you need to know why it is that it happens in Argentina. It has to do with a certain immigration. But we're just going to make it. So we're going to start with a mixture of half cilantro and half Italian parsley. Cilantro is called coriander in some cultures. We've got the Italian flat parsley, which is broader than the curly parsley that we're used to. We're going to do that. We're going to put all this garlic into there, because garlic is good for you, G-I-G-F-Y. And we're going to put some chopped hot peppers that were grown right here in the 308. And we put the lid back on, and then we're going to puree with a little bit. So we'll start over here and then. We're going to turn it on puree, and then at the same time we'll be pouring in some olive oil. Drizzling olive oil, probably for this amount of parsley and cilantro, better part of a cup of olive oil. Let it churn. You make a really delicious green sauce. Oh, that's really good. All right, watch it stop. And let's take the lid off, see what we got here so far. Ooh, look at that. I think it can take a little more oil. I think we'll. By now, anybody has learned that I don't measure as much as I do by feel. That's just how I roll. Recipes are basically suggestions. Not when you bake so much as when you cook. Yeah, I'll probably do it. And I think we're going to put a little bit of salt in there. A little salt. And add a little bit of this vinegar. Pardon me, folks, while I take the vinegar top off. A little bit of balsamic, just a little. Stir it up again. And then we got chimichurri. And of course, since this is not my first rodeo, I happen to have a piece of grilled steak right here. What do you know? Amazing. So this actually marinated for 3 hours before I grilled it up. So we're just going to take a little bit of this. This is beautiful. Look at that, huh? Silky. This is a really good chimichurri. Steak chimichurri. It is so easy. It is so delicious. We'll see you again for another dish.